house exhibits. There are all these really cool dioramas. And we're going to see from 1871. Somebody's sleeping on the job. Bless you. Oh, look at those elephants. I wonder what they're made out of. 1880. Oh, that's Jumbo. Guess how much Jumbo weighed? 13,000 pounds. That's what that sign said. 1884. Oh, wow. These are so cool. Oh, they're amazing. Oh, 1910. Oh, I love this one. Somebody needs help with their elephant. Oh, look at the little guys. $1927. Oh, we have an audience. $1918. Oh, we have a whole little town here. Barber shop, Jones Pharmacy. Oh, and there's the movie theater. And there's the circus right through town. But I'm going to go to Kay's Lunch. These are wonderful. Oh, these are the newer ones, just 1940. This one doesn't have a date. I don't see a date on this one. It's all right. I mean, it's really cool. I just like the other ones better. 1970. Oh, very modern. Look at those elephants. Fantastic. Oh, we have a vicious tiger over here. Mired in a muddy lot. Here's one more. Wow. The blacksmith shop. Look at that guy drinking whiskey right there. Oh my goodness.